Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. Today we are exploring a comforting Japanese dish called Oyakodon. It is a simple chicken and egg rice bowl that is quick to make and loved for its gentle, cozy flavor. In this video, you will learn what Oyakodon is and why it is such a popular comfort food. If you love cozy, one-bowl meals, Japanese Oyakodon belongs on your table. It is a classic chicken and egg rice bowl with soft onions simmered in a sweet savory sauce, then spooned over hot steamed rice. Every bite is warm, tender, and soothing. The name Oyakodon literally means parent and child bowl, a playful nod to the chicken and egg cooked together. In Japan, it is everyday comfort food, eaten by students, office workers, and families who want something quick but deeply satisfying. In this guide, you will learn what Oyakodon is, how it tastes, the basic story behind it, and a simple way to cook it at home, even if you are brand new to Japanese cooking. Understanding Japanese Oyakodon. Meaning, taste and origins. What does Oyakodon mean in Japanese culture? The word Oyakodon breaks down into three parts. Oya means parent. Ko means child. Don is short for donburi or rice bowl. So the name hints at the parent and child in the dish, chicken and egg, cooked together over rice. This playful name reflects the light, homey feeling of the meal. You will find Oyakodon at small family restaurants, casual lunch spots, and train station eateries. Many Japanese households also make it on busy nights because it is fast, filling, and uses simple pantry items. The dish feels relaxed and familiar, not fancy or formal. How does authentic Oyakodon taste and feel? A good Oyakodon tastes gently sweet and salty, with a clean, comforting flavor. The sauce comes from soy sauce, mirin, sake, a bit of sugar, and dashi or broth. Together they create a light, fragrant broth that soaks into the chicken, onions, and rice. The eggs are only lightly beaten, then poured over the simmered chicken and onions. They set into soft, custard-like curds rather than firm scrambled eggs. The chicken is tender, the onions are silky, and the hot rice underneath soaks up every drop. The flavor is mild and cozy, not spicy, which makes Oyakodon very kid-friendly and great for anyone who likes gentle, soothing food. A short history of Oyakodon as Japanese comfort food. Oyakodon first appeared in the late 1800s, when soba noodle shops began serving rice bowls with various toppings. Chicken and egg simmered in noodle broth turned out to be a simple combination that customers loved. Over time, Oyakodon grew into a classic donburi dish, right beside beef bowls and tempura bowls. Now that you know the meaning, taste, and story behind Oyakodon, it is time to see how it comes together in the kitchen. Stay tuned for part 2. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share and subscribe.